Good night. My name is Jason Alejandro Torra Pacheco. I am single. I am from Ocaña. I am 24 years old. I am studying. I am studying it UNAD. I am lying in Ocaña. I am afraid that I am lying to play soccer. I got a pad 6 in the morning and a browser. I go to the fan the working the after midnight study. I also eat roasting arepa. I work on the farm and I usually cost the major cost. My mom makes some lunch. I eat for lunch rice with meat and sign. I come home and season the evening. I play football after studying. I have dinner at 7. Usually go to bed at night at 9. I would of with my family on weekends. I like to go to the stadium to play soccer into the typical for them my city is that roasting arepa.